Here, let us consider three axes. With respect to the center, this is main axis. Let us mark it as axis 1. And this axis is an axis which is perpendicular to the main axis. Let us mark it as number 2, and I am writing perpendicular sign. That means second axis is perpendicular to first axis. And there is another axis, that is axis 3, which is given to be at a distance r by 2. Distance between second axis and third axis is r by 2. And the disk actually rotates about this axis. Now let us go for calculation. Clearly enough, I1, which is nothing but I main, that for a disk we know happens to be half mr square. Now I2, that is with respect to the second axis, moment of inertia should be half of the main axis, that is I1. When it happens, this is a shortcut. It specially happens for symmetric bodies like disk. So can we write it to be 1 by 4 mr square? Half of I1, that is half mr square. So half of half mr square means 1 by 4 mr square. Okay. Now finally, let us find I3. I3, notice that I3 is parallel to the second axis. This axis and this axis are parallel. So I3 would be given by I2 plus md square. We know that. Let us put the value. I2 is 1 by 4 mr square and md square is m into d means r by 2 whole square. So this thing finally becomes 1 by 4 mr square, and this is again 1 by 4 mr square. So adding 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it will become half mr square. So that is moment of inertia of this disk with respect to the third axis. That's it.